here from OG Creations. Happy Boxing Day to you and yours. It's that time of year again. The whirlwind of Christmas is over, and now you're looking at all the decorations that need to be put away, and the only thing you can think about is what can keep you busy enough not to put them away. There's no better task than shopping, so why not head over to ogcreationstore.etsy.com and purchase the Borealis Robe. I'm starting with a full-length, plus-size, 100% rayon robe that I purchased from Dharma Trading Company. Using the Geode technique, I gather this silky material into small sections and secure it using sinew, moving down an inch or so and securing again. I repeat this over and over and over again until I have a big knotted ball. I then soak the robe in soda ash for 20 minutes and set it aside for 24 hours until it was practically dry. I have always marveled at the mystic, celestial phenomenon that's the Northern Lights. The earliest record of them dates over 30,000 years ago, depicted in cave paintings found in France. In 1619, Galileo coined the name Aurora Borealis, after the Roman goddess of dawn, Aurora, and the Greek god of the north wind, Boreas. After finding a photo that I absolutely fell in love with, I color match it with Dharma Trading dyes to the vibrant dancing lights and the deep space hues: Lime Pop, Chartreuse, Plum, Ultraviolet, Royal, and Blue Abyss. To make sure that I get the vivid pop of green, I first apply liquid Lime Pop dye to the center of random geode gathers. Next, I apply the dry dye powders and a layer of soda ash. I want the robe to completely be immersed in color, so I flip it over and repeat the exact same process. Finally, using a plant mister filled with hot water, I saturate the robe with mist and then set it aside for 24 to 48 hours. It is rinsed thoroughly in cold water and then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and a hot water cycle. It is dried completely, ironed, inventory, and ready for shipping. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I hope you've enjoyed your holidays with your friends and loved ones and look forward to the coming new year. Working my way to 100K in 2023, please make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see created next.